Hello, Namaskar. I, Ravi Singh, TGT, working in a Kendra Vidyalaya Chagodi, present here to discuss the efforts that have been made by our teachers, that means our schools also, for online teaching during COVID-19 academic situation. Across the world, education has been drastically affected by the COVID-19 pandemic. Most institutions like schools, universities, colleges, research centers have been shut down, and keeping in mind all these points, we have also started the online education in our school. And what efforts our teacher has been done till now, and we are also doing, and we will do definitely. First of all, we have cut the timetable. We are not taking 7 to 8 periods daily. Why? Because we do not want that our children spare mostly time on the mobile phone or laptop or tab. Why? Because it can be hamper their eyes. So what we have done, we have just conducting 3 daily classes, and we are providing the worksheets and ask to the parents that please give the hard copy to their wards, as well as if some students or parents not able to access the technology, our teachers, they are going home and they are also conversing with the parent with the help of phone, that how you can use this technology. We are using the Cisco WebEx app, in which we can share the contents in the form of PPT, in the form of PDF files, docs file, documentation, and we are also using the whiteboard on which we are teaching and demonstrating the questions and problems. We are also providing the recorded videos from the SWAYAM platform, a SWAYAM platform which is from Government of India, as well as we are providing the authentic academic videos from YouTube. And our teachers also made some videos and they are preparing day by day, and we are also providing these videos to the students. We are calling personally to the parents and students if they are facing any problem. Like suppose if a student is not having mobile, then we are also trying that we should collect some rupees and to give the students, that they can at least buy a little bit a smartphone. And we are developing the materials to the students. We are following the guidelines we are getting from our regional office Bengaluru, from Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan. They are also providing, and CBSE is also providing the online materials. We have also given to this online material links to the groups, WhatsApp groups to the students. For their assessment, we have designed the test on the Google Forms, on which we are sharing that Google form with the students, and they are responding their answers on the Google Forms. And for that we also conduct the session that how you can use the Google Forms easily. Now I will explain that how we are using. I'm just showing some pictures, screenshots. So you are seeing that how the student and a teacher interaction is there. I have taken this screenshot, our teachers. Now in this second screenshot, you are seeing that we have also conduct online classes, parent teachers meeting with this help, and you are seeing that this is the class how we are conducting with this particular Cisco WebEx meeting app. And in this WebEx meeting app, we are also providing the PPTs, PDF files, because the software, and with the help of the software we can share also screen also. So we have conducted also parent teacher meeting is there. You can see that our teacher is there here and the class is going on. So with the help of laptop we are conducting the online classes. Now here you are seeing that some teacher has been conducted this class. First of all, what we do, we schedule a meeting, means schedule a class, and when we schedule a class, we just provide the link to the class group. like see that topic is Anita and honeybees in primary schools is there, and we have conducted on the 14th August. Then as per the Indian Standard Time, meeting number is there, password is there. So this type of many meetings we provide. Like the PTA means parent teacher meeting is there, another class is there, parent teacher meeting is there, and you can see particular this screenshot that what the it is showing. It is showing that who is conducting. A host means a teacher is there, and how many students they are taking online classes. This type of electrical safety group class is there, and that you can see that how the student and teacher interaction is there, parents teacher interaction is there, class interaction is there. So these all efforts have been made by our teachers. Day by day they are providing their best. How we are assessing their performance with the help of these type of classes or test. You can see in this particular screenshot that we have conducted PT1 means periodic test 1 of mathematics, science, and all subjects are there. You can see in this particular Google sheet we are providing the questions. Multiple type of question is there, true false, fill in the blanks questions are all there, and a student can easily way they can just give their responses. You can see that Hindi test is also there, English test is there. So we have conducted this type of test, and this shows that our teachers they are giving their best. Thank you, friends, and as you know, thank you everyone, and definitely it could not be possible with the help and support from our principal sir, our teachers. They are doing their best.